All right, guys, this is Scott Teague with you again. I haven't been on YouTube lately, and a lot of you guys know what I've been doing if you follow me on Facebook and stuff like that. Been tearing out the layout, and this is what it looks like right now, as you see here. And there's reasons behind this. A lot of you wanted to know why. Why? Um, the layout's been here for 26 years. And don't get me wrong, it's served its purpose over the 26 years of running trains, building stuff, learning stuff, op sessions, and a lot of good friends along the way. A lot of memories. And it kind of brought a tear to my eye the first step of tearing it down. But then I knew that it was no turning back after that. So tearing it out, but there's going to be a new layout, probably a longer run layout, but it's going to be single track, not double track. It's going to have long sidings, long trains, still Norfolk Southern, but I probably do a freelance of what I like to model. Over the years of videotaping real trains and my video business, seen a lot of real nice scenery, and it's going to be mountaintop scenery. But some of the stuff that I really enjoy seeing trains go through is what I want to model. And I want to put all that together in one big layout. Now it will have the coal trains, intermodal trains, and stuff like that. I don't know about the train numbers and all that. I might keep them the Pocahontas numbers, when I model, but I don't know. It's too far down the road. I got a blueprint drawn of the new layout, and I'll post it on down the road and give you an idea. But, right now I'm trying to get all this out. Been working down here, getting this last wall done. Now I'm in the corner here, going around, and eventually end up over there. And this room will be completely gutted. Then I'll have to start back in there where my paint room is and the other side of the wall. But this wall right here will no longer be there. It'd be a wide open area. So there'll be no walls to go through, contend to. It'll be one wide open area. The layout will be like a self-standing type of layout, and the fascia board will be probably about 6'5" to 7 foot high. But it'll go around the area here. And it'll also go around the walls, but mainly in the middle. But it'll be a shelf type layout where probably some scenes will be 12 to 14 inches wide. There'll be a yard that's probably 20 inches, little over 20 inches. In the past, I've figured out that a lot of downfall and a lot of breaking your bank account is doing a deep depth scenery type layout where you got to fill it up full of scenery, and you end up wasting money because you really don't need that much space. You're concentrating on the railroad. And I've learned that over the years, that I could be putting more money in something else, but I got to fill this scene up to get it scenic, which I didn't need. So, that's one good thing that I learned over the years. But like I said, this layout has served its purpose, and I'm ready to do something different because to me, I like modeling and creating new stuff like that. And this was at the point where I was getting bored and tearing out stuff that didn't need to be tore out, but I would tear it out just to be modeling. Just be doing something, which I was just, putting money in the trash can. Is like, putting a Band-Aid on a wound. If the wound wasn't there, why would you put a Band-Aid on it, But I think I'm going to be happy with this new layout. It's just a lot of work right now. And, people that know me, I like to, constantly keep working. I'm trying to pace myself in this one, where I'm not trying to get burnt out on it. Coming down here and do, like a section at a time. I'll have a goal, section at a time, then I'll stop. Then I'll go do something else and then come back. But, yeah, it's a lot of work, but I think I'm going to be happy with the new layout. And like I said, I learned a lot of stuff over the years, and I'll try to get, keep this post going and show you new stuff that I'm doing when I'm building it and stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned, and I hope I answered some questions for you. If I didn't, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them for you. But until next time, guys, happy modeling.